And I don't know why I just be getting piercings and taking them out. I mean, I know why. Them impulsive thoughts. And I know why I be taking them out. But I need to stop doing this shit. Piercings are not cheap. Girl, get over it. Like, I got these waist beads. Y'all know I got my waist beads not too long ago. Why I already want to take them off? You know you're going to be mad when you take them off, so don't take them off. But, like, I already want to take them off. Anyway, I'm not going to take this piercing. Y'all got to hold me to it. This bar, I really feel like it's going to be so cute. We're not going to take it out unless I can't sleep. Nah, we're not going to take it out. I'm rambling now. What are you getting, bestie?